know. And then there's this, then there's this lady I watch. She's American and she lives in Syria now. And she's the second wife. She's from the States and she moved to Syria and she has her own house. Like, each wife should have their own house. I'm not saying a big fancy house or anything like that, but they need their own separate quarters. So she has her own quarters. Then the husband spends some time with the wife and some days of the week with the second wife.
Guys, how are you doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are a pair of jerks. And yes, this is a Foodie Beauty video. Now, if you haven't been following along, Foodie Beauty's live streams basically consist of her getting as high as pterodactyl tits, mumbling incoherently, falling asleep on stream. But today she blessed us with a live stream called Coffee, etc. And that's where I got the opening clip from. Now, I want to show that clip not because of the chin slip, even though as a community, I do think we all appreciate a good chin slip, but I think it showcases how Foodie Beauty is not fully committed to staying in Canada, and healthcare is not apparently an obstacle to keep her there. Now, I do believe she's mourning the loss of a lie with the relationship with Salah, but she is still there mentally. So much so, this uncontrolled type 2 diabetic with a myriad of other health issues can't commit to healthcare here in Canada.
The lady from the healthcare called me today, and she's for my health card, and she's like, oh, what'd she say? You have to guarantee, like, this is a contract. If we reinstate your healthcare, that you're gonna be in Canada for the next 6 months out of the year, and I'm just like, yeah. I mean, I don't have plans to leave, but I couldn't make that commitment because I'm like, you know how my life is. This should be a hard guarantee. I didn't sign it because I don't know. Like, I don't know, like, what's gonna happen. What if I need to leave, or what if I want to leave, or...
By the way, if you could please commit by hitting like and subscribe, I would appreciate that. But I'm thinking, what if something medically happens? Because let's face it, Foodie Beauty, when she had healthcare, OHIP, Ontario Health Insurance Plan, she would be at least 2-3 times in the ER for a visit. She's had insulin drips, chest x-rays, heart tests. All of those would be a huge cost to her. I'm sure we've all heard the phrase before, health is wealth. Just basically being in good physical, mental health is such a valuable asset, more important than financial wealth, more important than relationships, more important than anything, because you cannot enjoy any of those things without being in good health. I also can't help but wonder if this was a huge tell that the community has been basically yelling from the rooftops saying she's not staying here, and those 2 clips alone that I showed basically tell me everything I need to hear. She is basically not here for good. She has her fupa straddled between 2 worlds, and she would even go back to Salah if that meant being a second wife, if that means giving up her health care. Now, I don't know what's going to happen with her OHIP, her Ontario Health Insurance Plan, but talk about a red flag if someone calls you and said, can you, to get your health care back, can you stay at least 6 months in the country? And she couldn't even commit to that. So telling. Anyways, guys, if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Just a quick wham bam. Some people asked for this, ma'am, today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.